Yeah, man!
This is a tamarind tree in the wild. Pick a fruit. This is what a tamarind tree in the wild looks like. This is what it looks like. This fruit is green. Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you tamarind balls. So you're gonna need some tamarind fruits, enough sugar. You can use brown or granulated. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Pour enough sugar in a bowl, say about half pound. You can use granulated or brown sugar. This is a tamarind fruit close-up. It's a brown shell. It's a hard shell, yet it's fragile. You can break it easily. This is how you remove the fruit. Hold the stem, gently pull it out. Do what I'm doing. Remove the fruit from the shell. First, before you do this, wash your hands and fingers clean. Go through patiently and remove the shell from the fruit. Be sure there's no shell. You don't want no little piece of shell in the fruit that we are preparing. To place the waste on. Piece newspaper. Gently break the tamarind shell. Use your fingers. Remove the fruit from the shell. Remove any little piece of shell that's on the fruit. Place the fruit in a bowl. Look for spoilage. Don't be afraid to smell the fruit. If it smells rotten, if it smells spoiled, throw it away. This is a piece that is not ready. It's kind of still green, and this is what it looks like. Throw it out. This is the last piece. Remove the shell. Be sure there's no little pieces of shell in the fruits. This is what you want. Now we're gonna make tamarind balls. The smallest one, you use 2 seeds. You take 2 of the seeds and you fold it together. Tamarind balls. Tamarind balls can be any size. You can use 3 seeds and fold it together. You can use up to 5 seeds and fold it together in a ball. Just go through and take 2 seeds and just fold it together like a little ball. You can use 3 seeds and make a nice little round ball. Or you can use up to 5, 6 seeds. Roll it together and make a big ball. This one is 2 seeds. This one is 4 seeds. I bought one in the store and it had 2 seeds. Use the tip of your fingers to roll the ball. You don't want too much of the fruits to waste or come off on your fingers. Go through gently, patiently, and make little tamarind balls. Tamarind fruit is sticky, so when you make the balls, it will stay together. So do what I'm doing. Make little tamarind balls. Make tamarind balls. When I was a little boy, I would save my little lunch money and buy these tamarind balls in front of the school gate or the vendors on the roadside. Those were some fun days. This is what you want. The next and final step is to sugar these tamarind balls. So do what I'm doing. Take the tamarind ball, roll it in the sugar until it's coated evenly. Once you do that, just take the sugared tamarind balls and lay it on a plate. Go through and sugar each tamarind ball evenly. It should not be sticky when you finish. It should just coat it evenly with sugar. Note, you can use granulated sugar as well. Today I'm using brown sugar, but you could use granulated sugar instead. Roll the tamarind ball in the sugar. Roll the tamarind ball in the sugar. This is tamarind balls, a nice little Jamaican snack. We have small tamarind balls, medium tamarind balls, large tamarind balls. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, share. You should try making this yourself. Give us feedback when you do. Tamarind balls. Tamarind balls. To store the tamarind balls effectively, use a sealed container such as this. I used to call it tambourine, I'm just trying to pronounce it correct. A tambourine, me call it. Or you can use a clean, clear plastic bag. Put the tamarind ball in the plastic bag and then tie it tight. Do what I'm doing. Put one in tight, put another in tight. You can put more than one in one bag. Just do what I'm doing. Take the tamarind balls and just place them in the bag. Once you do that, you just tie it tight. To get the tamarind ball firm, keep it in the refrigerator. Nevertheless, you can also store it or keep it at room temperature in a sealed jar or container. I'm going to show you how to eat a tamarind ball. This one has been in the refrigerator for some time, so it's firm and cool. Tamarind has a tangy flavor, a kind of sourish flavor. It's not entirely sour. That's why I say sourish. It's not as tangy as lime, but a tangy, sweetish flavor, but not that much sweet. So you just take a bite, suck off the fruit, and throw away the seed. By adding the sugar, The flavor of the tamarind balls is sweet. When eating tamarind balls, be mindful of the seed. You don't want to swallow the seed. It's sweet with a little tanginess. It's sweet with a little sourness, with a little sour flavor. Once the tamarind balls are stored properly, it will stay good for several months, maybe 3 months. Until next time, walk good. Yeah, man!